Hello friends, in this video I will show you date and time is not working properly in your Windows 11. So to resolve this problem, click on Start. Here click on Settings. Now here click on Time and Language. Then click on Date and Time. Here guys, you have to click on Set Time Zone automatically. Still time is not proper. So turn off time zone automatically and in the time zone change manually. Now here is the list of country time. Select your country time. So this is a simple way. Hopefully this method will work in your case. Then click on Sync Now. Now close and restart your system. Thanks for watching. This is the basic method. Still you are facing problem, so comment your error. I will try to resolve that problem. Thanks for watching.